Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Git installed, an SSH key added to your Gitlab account, and access to the repository. Once done, navigate to the project's page and click Fork. Choose the target namespace where you own or can create the fork. Make sure to pick a meaningful fork name if prompted. This creates a copy in your namespace. You now own an independent repository to change without affecting the original upstream. Next, clone it locally to continue. You clone your fork locally with the SSH or HTTPS URL and change into the directory. Next, add the original repository as upstream so you can fetch updates. Git remote add upstream original URL. Once added, fetch upstream branches and set your local branch to track origin or upstream where appropriate. Make sure push default points to your fork to avoid accidental pushes to upstream. Verify remotes with git remote v, so you clearly see you keep your fork current by regularly fetching and merging or rebasing from upstream. For example, git fetch upstream followed by git merge upstream /main. Once synced, create a feature branch for your work and commit small, focused changes. Push the branch to your fork and open a merge request targeting the original repository. If conflicts occur, resolve them locally, test, then update the MR. Troubleshooting tip. If pushes fail, check remote URLs and SSH key permissions. Fix with git remote set URL or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.